In this tutorial, I will tell you how to use basic queries in SQL, sequential query language. I'm not showing you this example on MS Excel as SQL because I have to install MS Excel server first. So that is why I'm just telling you how we can write commands or our queries in SQL. Suppose we have this table with four fields. One is salesman ID, second is name, third is city, and fourth one is commission. And we have values, data values in these fields. So in total we have records. One record, this is second record. In this way we are having third, fourth, fifth and sixth. We have six records in this table and four fields. Field number 1, field number 2, 3 and 4. Now suppose a question is write a SQL statement to display names and city of salesman. So we have to display, our objective is to display the names and city of salesman who belongs to the city of Paris. Means if anyone is from Paris, if salesman is from Paris, we have to reveal his name and city also. The output will be Paris, city and Paris. So from this table we have to fetch it out this data using SQL query. So how to write SQL query for this? Select name as we want name, NAME, name. In this table we can see that the field name is name, NAME. So I'm just typing name, comma, and we want name and city. So in field name is city. So I will type city, select name, city, from. From means from where we want to fetch this data. This table's name is salesman. As you can see in question as well, write a SQL statement to display names and city of salesman who belongs to the city of Paris. So this table's name is salesman. So I will type salesman. Sorry, this is table's name. Now there is a condition that the salesman must be from the city Paris. So the query will be where city, this field name city, is equals to in quotes we will write Paris. Okay, so this will be the command which we will write to find out, to fetch out the data from this salesman table. Select name, city from salesman table where condition is city must be Paris. So you will get the output. Okay, so here we have two records where city is Paris. One is this one, Nail Knight, and second one is McLeon. So these two records will come as an output in SQL Server. Okay. Now, second one is write a SQL statement to insert add new salesman with following details. Means our objective is to enter a new record over here. And here what should be the record values? Salesman ID is 5010. In this field salesman ID, here it should come 5010. In the name, you can see in the name field, name would be James, so here it should come James. In the city field, we want India, so here in city we want India. And for the commission, it should be 0.10. So I want this record to enter in my SQL database. So how to write a command? It should be insert, because we are going to insert one new record. Insert into, where we want to insert? Into this salesman table. So we have to write the name salesman, insert into this salesman table. In bracket, we have to write down the field names, that is salesman ID, comma, name, comma, city, comma, commission. So these are the field names in our salesman table. In our salesman table, we want to insert data in these field names. And what should be data? We will write data respectively values, values would be for the salesman ID, it should be 5010, 5010. As we can see, this is 5010, comma, name of the salesman, name should be what? James. Then city, city must be India. But do remember, the characters we have to write in quotes. Comma and commission. Commission must be 0.10. Close the bracket and end this command with this statement with semicolon. So this will be the output. This will be the command to insert a data in this salesman table. A new record we are going to insert. Okay. So this is how we can insert a new record in SQL. Okay. You can see it will be like this. Okay. Now the third one is Write a SQL statement to the list the salesman IDs whose commission is greater than or equal to 0.13. We want the, to fetch the data and we want to fetch a data where commission is greater than or equals to 0.13. All the records we want to be displayed using this SQL command. So what will be the command? Select ID. For ID, the column name is salesman ID. Salesman ID. Okay, because we know this field name is salesman ID, we have to select the salesman ID from salesman, that is the table name, this table name salesman, from salesman where where commission should be greater than or equals to 0.13. So in this way the SQL will select the salesman ID, all the records where commission is greater than or equals to 0.13. So in this way we will fetch the data. I hope you got the basics of SQL commands.